Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for July 30th 2024. The first thing you do is to go to daily cipher here. When you click on daily cipher, the Morse code for today is ICO. To get the first letter, which is I, you do 2 dots, 1 2. Remember, dot is regular tap and then dash is long press. So let's get the C. To get the C, you do 1 dash, 1 dot, another dash and another dot, dash, dot, dash, dot. That's it for the C. Then for the O, which is the last letter, you do 3 dashes. 1 2 3. So we've cracked the code. You take the price here. Also remember to claim your daily reward if you are yet to, and also your daily combo and mini game. Make sure you do these 4 tasks. You can watch my other videos on how to claim these other rewards or how to do these other tasks. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate. Please like, subscribe, turn on bell notification and also share. Please, thank you.